song is entitled A Breeze. You say, well, what does it mean by a breeze? I feel the air. But as of now, listen attentively as I go through this emotion of this song. It says, baby girl, baby girl, baby girl, when you walk by me, I said, baby girl, you make me free. Listen, I smell that breeze of your sweet perfume. It smells like strawberry mixed with lemonade. Baby girl, I noticed last night when you came in the house, your lipstick was spread all over your face. Oh yes it was. And your clothes was all out of place. I listened, I looked in my mind, I wonder, was this is real what I feel? Listen, you said that you love me and you'll be with me until the end. I don't know why you treat me this way. Baby girl, I want you to know, I wonder how long before you bring your real self home. I've been waiting all night long, sitting close to the telephone. That breeze of your perfume make me feel alright. But listen, I want you to come up, baby, from the place you are. I need you, sweetheart. I don't want to leave you far. I know you're the weaker vessel and you turn around at times. But girl, I want to let you know you truly blows my mind. I feel that breeze. I smell that your perfume. Listen, I tried so many times to put you out of my mind, but every time I do, you do what you do. You said that you always be with me. Baby, you came to set me free, but every time I look around, girl, you're always there on time. I love you. I love every curve, everything you got. Everything you got, girl, you make me shout. I love you, baby. Come on back. Treat me right, baby. Treat me right, baby. Treat me right, baby. I'm here, a good man. Girl, I want to let you know this. Listen. Many other girls, they be begging for me. Many, many girls try to get me in their tree. I tell them I'm in love with you. Get out my face, I'm gonna do what I do. I love you, baby. Treat me right, do the right thing for me. Girl, you know I set you free. I love you, baby. I truly, truly care. Oh, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Listen, sweetheart, you knock me off my feet. I don't know what I see that make me want you more and more. Every time I think of you, girl, you do the thing you do, and I love you, girl. Truly, I love you. I love you. Truly, I love you. That's why I do the things I do for you. Listen, I want you to talk to your mama, talk to your daddy. Tell them to stay out of our business because I love you. I love you. I know you love mama and daddy, but I love you.